Hey, yo, what's up, Cave Trader? Yeah, I mean, right now I'm up on the night. I'm up on the night right now. But I'll check the oh crap. I'll check the Discord real quick. Right now I'm just waiting for my target to get hit on gold since she was nasty to me last night or this morning. So you said is this your trade right here? Yo, congratulations though. How much did you make on this trade? Hey, if my power goes out, uh, I'll try to log back in, but it just started hailing outside. Texas, I don't know what the hell happened. Who's controlling the weather machine out here in Texas? But we've been getting snow, hail, thunderstorms, all kind of shit out here lately. So my power may go out. Hopefully it doesn't, but it may go out. Just to kind of give a heads up. Hopefully it doesn't. If this thing breaks this range right here, man, if this breaks this range, I mean, it's kind of that's it. That's it. That's all she wrote. Hmm. 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 Yeah, that doesn't even make. Yeah, it don't. Yeah, it don't. Y'all guys know that that short that I took at the end of the day would have worked. It would have freaking worked, man. I just cut it at break even. And I was like, yeah, I'll just come back tomorrow. And then I come back to my charts and see that not only was I right, but I was super right. And I was like, this is why I don't care to trade the Nasdaq anymore. This is why I don't care to trade her. Because this whole time I was like, damn, I was like, and was I that off trading the Nasdaq? Was I that wrong? Because it didn't look like it was going to short. I didn't really think it was, but it wasn't smart to go long. So I was like, well, I would only been in 20 points of drawdown too. I think my entry was what, like here in the middle of this range at 72 or something, 75, 72. It would have probably, I think it would have just hit my, barely touched my stop. Just for the session to open up down. I was like, you know what? I just took the break even and went to the gym. I was kind of over yesterday's price action. But I was able to get this perfect trade on gold. Perfect trade on gold. Saw this pullback. See, like I mean, the pullback trade is the money trade. Now I'm gonna talk about this position right here. I'm gonna talk about this position because gold straight played me. She really did. So I literally had my entry at 49.6. But then when I saw that it missed the target and dropped, I was like, well shit, maybe it's just gonna drop. So I took off my target, walked away, came back, saw that it hit it perfectly and dropped, and I was like, fuck. But I was like, you know what? Now I know that the bears are serious in this area. So I'm going to just wait for the pullback. And I sat here and waited. And the pullback happened around 8 o'clock. And I was able to capture this whole move. Well, so far. I still got a couple of targets. Actually, I'm gonna take one. Take one. I'm gonna leave one right there. Reduce my risk on this one. So I can at least get paid in this one. Probably put it above this high. And just see how far this position can go. And the one thing now that I look for now before I even I'm not going to, or let me say this. Honestly, I should do that with the Nasdaq because I'm kind of making a mistake right here. It's kind of making a mistake. I'm kind of making a mistake because the Nasdaq hasn't shown that she wants to push higher yet. She hasn't shown that she wants to push higher. I'm just going to take that $150 loss before it becomes bigger. Damn, dude. It is really hailing outside. You took a long on gold? Hey, yo, what's up, Investor Z? I mean, I don't know, man. Where are you reaching for? It hasn't shown that pattern to flip. I mean, it can push, but it hasn't shown that flip pattern. It hasn't shown this pattern right here. I guess it hasn't shown this pattern. And I believe the ICT concept is a unicorn model. The break, the push, the break of this low, the sweep of this high, and then the pullback back into liquidity and the push. And then buying the pullback. Which is basically, honestly, I guess you can see it that way, or you can just see it as a head and shoulders pattern, honestly. You got your left shoulder, your head, your right shoulder, your push, buy the pullback. You could be right. My gold indicator is saying that they're buying gold right now, so yeah, you could be right. Push. This coin. Okay. You say you're gonna let it go? Are you long on this too, Santiago? I put gold first in everything, Alfred. I'm a gold trader now. Gold is my main bitch. Nasdaq is my side piece. After what she did to me this morning, this is gold anonymous now. after what she did to me, and then what she did to me after at the end of the day, I had to break out of this trade at a break even just to come back to the charts and see that my my analysis was correct. And and that's the one thing about like honestly I couldn't see it. I think I gotten so used to the trauma from the NQ that I couldn't see. I thought that was normal. And then here I am with gold. She reacts as soon as she gets to the area and she goes to the next. And then I come back to the NQ and it's like she literally traded into supply. And then it took for her to open back up just for the move to happen versus it happening at the end of the day when I was actually in the trade short. You just can't trust her price action. And gold shows me that. You can't trust her price action. You just can't. You can't trust her price action. Or at least I don't trust her price action. I don't trust her. Oh, did they? You just needed $380 and they cut it off. They cut you off. Uh, yeah, I'm kind of done with the. I'm kind of done with all prop firms that close at 310. I'm done with those prop firms. I'm done with them. If you cut me off from trading at 310, I'm not buying your product. I'm not buying it. I don't have to deal with that shit. Because all it's like especially during earnings, a lot of the moves happen after that 310 close. I don't got to deal with that shit. I'm not going to. And Alfred, I was thinking long and hard about buying the futures desk account. I had to really sit and think about it. And I told myself, I was like, for $100, I can get a 20K account at Blue Sky. The if you like the funded desk, Blue Sky is the same thing. It's literally the same thing. They both got the three phases. They put you in a sim brokerage account. They put you in a live account. And then at the live account, you can take quote unquote daily payouts that are approved by them. I mean, unless they got their set up like MFF, where is it automatic? On the live side, they got to approve it. They got to make sure that you have the money in your account before they disperse the funds. Unless, like I said, it's automatic. Man, you know what, NQ? That's the last bit of money you about to take from me. That's the last bit of it. That's the last bit of money you're gonna take from me. I'm not. All right. All right. So we got a break. You took a copper trade? Huh. How is copper though? How does copper trade? I hear a lot of good things about platinum. I may consider trading it as well. Maybe. Maybe. Consider trading platinum as well. Copper and on this. Well, I guess a good question is what made you close the trade? Oh, go and make food and didn't want to leave it unattended. Yeah, that's a good reason. Mm. Man, if you're going. Damn, it's really coming down bad down outside. Oh, pregnant front, yeah. Yeah, man. Mm. I mean, I love the P and L math. I just love it. I love the P and L math. I was down 9 points and I was down 2K. I'm only up a point and now I'm only up $20 despite having 18 contracts on. You gotta love the P and L. You gotta love the P and L math. Yeah, it's a Apex eval. Man, Apex increased their goddamn lifetime. They increased their lifetime. Yeah, what's that damn thing called? It's called what, a lifetime. What is it called again? Oh, the lifetime activation fee. I was like, what the hell is it called? Yeah, they increased it to $200. Honestly, I'll just probably buy the I'll just buy the subscription because if you buy the $200, that's not even a deal. And Apex knows it. That's not even a deal. They know that people are, I mean, it's highly unlikely for people to keep their an account longer than a month. $200, that's like 3 months. People are not going to keep their Apex accounts past 3 months. They're going to take that full withdrawal. So I wonder why they priced it like that. That doesn't make sense. Well, I would have gotten a lifetime license if it was, or the life, you know what? Okay, this is the last time. This is the last time. It's the last time. It's the last time. Like I said, I don't have to deal with this shit from Nasdaq. I don't have to deal with this shit. I don't gotta deal with it. I'll just take the loss, but I don't gotta deal with it. But I think I finally found the strength to break up with the NQ. I'm breaking up with her, man. I don't gotta deal with that stupid price action. I don't have to deal with it. I don't have to deal with it. I'm not gonna move my stop though. But if I get taken out here, I'll just accept it. But I don't gotta deal with this shit. I mean, honestly, I shouldn't have got into it long. So I'm not sitting there blaming the NQ. But I mean, literally at my entry. Come on. Mm, okay. Yeah, they ain't no more love for NQ. There's no more love for her. It's been replaced with gold. Ain't no more love for NQ. Cause she does shit like this. She does shit like this just to trying to play around with my emotions and give me hope. I don't gotta deal with this. But yeah, so yeah. I mean, if people buy the $200 activation fee and blow up right afterwards, I mean, it doesn't make sense. The way that they had it priced at $130, that made more sense. I would have bought it because the subscription is only $85. So I would have paid the extra what, $50? But when you got it priced at $200, that don't even make no damn sense. And especially when you got multiple accounts. Well, I guess I'm looking at it from my perspective. I wouldn't be trading 20 Apex accounts all at one time. I'd be trading maybe one or two. But yeah, because that shit can just go. 39.4. Mm, well, mm, all right. Pump it. Santiago says you're trading it down to 2187. Hmm. Damn, gold is like that. Okay. Mm. Well, Cave Trader, congratulations on your long. Congratulations. Mm. This will be my absolute. Well, if it doesn't reject here, then I'll just get out of the whole thing. If it doesn't reject here, which honestly it probably won't. But this is a V bottom. It's not like it's a V bottom. So what I'm looking for is that this leg right here is just a pullback leg, just for the shorts to come back in and potentially take this low out. That's what I'm looking for. Mm. All right, NQ. All right. Okay. No, I don't like the NQ because she doesn't do the things I want her to do. She doesn't reject at areas that I think she should reject at. That's why I don't like her. And then when I am in it, she pulls back for no damn reason. Hmm. Hmm. Well, I mean, I guess it did, I mean, I guess it wouldn't have made sense. I mean, I guess these things just have to make sense, I guess. You know, that would be absolutely crazy if this thing pops up. You know what? It'd be absolutely crazy if this thing pops up. That would be absolutely crazy. Because the NQ was adamant about stopping me out. She's just stopping me out, man. Okay. They said check the Discord. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, I think I probably just got to get stopped out of the NQ again. Yeah, she stops me out. All right. Well, okay. Okay. Mm, 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 mm. Well, Mm. Mm. Oof. That's pretty cool, man. I guess what I'm trying to understand is Santiago. So you just drew the from the range bottom to the range high before the breakout. So the breakout, that, and then the pullback. Mm. You said did I see the Discord? Yeah. Yeah. Can you, yeah, you can see it? Yeah. Just, yeah. Yeah, no. Yeah. Yeah. I saw that. I was about to say, damn, it took the liquidity on the highs. It took the liquidity on the lows. And it pulled back and then it shorted. Mm. Now you're gonna pay what you owe. Like 195. You said another 50 is popping up. Oh, I thought you put it in the chat. Hmm. Yeah, is this on Nasdaq or is this on gold? Hmm. Okay. I mean, we'll see. I'm pretty sure they're gonna probably sell it at the I mean, if they can get it above the 21, then we can at least get back up to the 50. Mm, mm, mm. I mean, Santiago, this is a very risky long. You may be right. Your 50 may be right actually. Because I'm pretty sure I mean, I don't know what I know it's right there, but I don't know what number it is. Oh, probably like around like maybe 195-ish, 190, 50 on the ES. Mm. Oh well. Oh well. All right, so I guess yeah. Okay. Interesting. That isn't even, it doesn't even matter. No, it doesn't even matter. Mm. Yeah, I guess I wouldn't have made really that much sense, especially with that support right there. Yeah, man, shit. Yeah, it definitely is. It definitely is. I mean, who am I with my two simulated micro contracts trying to tell the market what to do? Who am I? Mm. It's at this point. Hmm. I guess that wouldn't have been it, right? That would have been this, right? Yeah. That's damn. That's interesting. Hmm. That is interesting. That is interesting. Hmm. Because that would have been. I mean, because it's too expensive. Shit. I mean, at least with the Apex, I only paid 18. Well, I paid more than that over time. But every time it renews at $30, $40. TPT will hurt my feelings. I mean, I'm not this style of trader. I don't want to get punished for not taking profits. But if I'm going to get punished for not taking profits, at least I want the evals to be cheap. That's I mean, I can get a 300K for $40 plus whatever the activation fee is at the time. And shit, if I get a 50K, that thing will be gone. And I know it. Price will go up and come right back down and there goes the account. I mean, I have too many bad habits for accounts like these. I have too many bad habits. I mean, I could probably pass it on the eval side, but on the funded side, that shit'll be gone. I would have to trade gold. I wouldn't be able to do it with Nasdaq. I wouldn't be able to do it with the Nasdaq. I would have to trade smaller than I would like to. And I don't like to, I prefer not to trade small on Nasdaq. I mean, what's the point? Mm, yeah. Mm, okay. All right. So what? Okay. What? Uh, mm, hold on. What? 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 Hold on. What? Why didn't it tag me? Where? What? Uh, uh, mm. Okay. Okay. Mm, mm, mm. Did I move my did I move my I could have sworn I had this thing at 42.3. I'm gonna have to probably go back and watch that. I could have sworn I had it there. I must have moved it. I mean, obviously, but did I really have it? Did I really put it there? Why would I do that? I could have sworn I put it at 42.3, or at least maybe I meant to. Maybe I meant to put it there. It, I guess, did the value area low drop? I could have sworn I had it at the value area low. I could have sworn I did. It may have dropped. I could have sworn I did. I'm gonna have to look back at that. All right, man. All right. Hmm. Whatever. Yeah, Alfred has been one of those nights, man. It's definitely been one of those nights. Started off good on gold, and then I got too ahead of myself, too ahead of the price action. I mean, what I was looking for initially was, for it to come back and kind of sell right here. That's what I was looking for initially, but I guess the market wasn't looking for that. Mm, well, mm, I don't think this is a reversal because it didn't make the reversal pattern, but I guess it could be. I mean, it doesn't necessarily have to make the pattern, but that's what I was definitely looking for. I mean, is gold going to reverse on a V bottom? I mean, it didn't even pull back, kind of like, I mean, I guess we'll see. But I was definitely looking for a reversal pattern here. And if it was going to push, it didn't even pull back. So this is a V bottom. And V bottoms don't usually hold, but I guess this one will. We'll see. We'll see. Hmm. I mean, the Nasdaq does look like it's primed for a reversal. Probably have to change my setup. Probably have to change this because I mean I don't necessarily even use this. I don't even look at the thing with bookmap chat anymore. I don't even look at the thing with bookmap chat anymore. I don't know when I started doing that, but or when I stopped. I definitely don't look at this chat anymore. I see that there's new people in the chat though. Now that I look at it. Yeah, I'll probably look to take profits around 195 because it does. Well, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. Because I mean, if they push here, I mean, this can get right back to that value area low, or at least a 50. At least a 50. I really don't see this thing rejecting off the 21 if it pops up above it, because the next area would be the 50. I mean, there's this swing high right here. So I'll keep my eyes out for that. Hmm. Yeah, patience definitely pays, man. Patience pays. Boredom kills accounts. Boredom definitely kills. So what? Oh, guys, what the hell? Why's she calling me for? Give me a second. Okay. Okay. Damn. Okay. Well, let me manage this trade on gold. Okay. This is it. If gold don't reject here, then I'm just gonna have to accept this loss. Gonna have to accept it. Um. Oh well, shit. Yeah. Uh, mm. It doesn't reject here. Then I'm gonna have to accept this loss on gold. So freaking dramatic. Uh, it's like, okay, okay. Copy. Oh well. Oh well. All right, so let me look at this. Where did I go wrong? I mean, we had a big move down. Hmm. We had a big move up. Oh shit. No. Okay. Okay. Hmm. These are the mistakes that man, that was a stupid mistake to make. That was a stupid mistake to make. That was stupid. I was sitting here looking for a double bottom, and as I looked to the left, it already did it. That was a double bottom. Man, that's a stupid mistake to make. That was a stupid mistake. Stupid mistake. I was looking for the double bottom. Or I was looking for a price to come down, pull back, and then double bottom, and then run up. But I missed the fact that it already double bottom. Not only did it double bottom, is a head and shoulders pattern. I just realized that. I just realized that. Hmm. That's a stupid mistake to make. Stupid mistake. Okay. All right. Well. Hmm. The mind sees what it wants to see. Shit. Damn it. I didn't even see that, man. Damn, I didn't see that. Shit. Hmm. Uh, well, you should. You know how it is. You know, I was actually just thinking, like, dang, I really do take a lot of gold shorts. I rarely go long on gold. I take more shorts than anything on gold. Mm. I guess what I'm trying to look for is where did I go wrong with the long? How did I miss the long? That's what I'm looking for. I wasn't thinking anything about going long because we got this move down. So I wasn't looking for longs at all. Not until I saw my reversal pattern that gold usually makes before she reverses. She didn't make that. So I'm looking, I was like, well, she literally just dropped, bounced, dropped, and then came above the highs. And but I mean before you knew it, the EMAs flipped. You know, don't say that stupid shit. And then don't. Yeah, I don't know how I missed the long. I don't know where the long opportunity is. I didn't see it. And that's why I say I don't have an eye for longs. I have an eye for shorts. I don't see the long opportunity at all. I mean, I guess this double bottom, but I mean, I guess this double bottom, I guess. I guess the double bottom, I guess. So that was yesterday's value area low. And then the market bounced from it. And then it touched today's value area low. And then it's probably going for the value area high. I don't know. All right. Yeah, what's up? You trading ES? Actually, I do have one more ES chart on my I have a higher time frame ES chart. Mhm. I mean, I gotta dust this chart off because I don't look at it at all. Hmm. Well, I mean, it is bouncing at that area of support. Yeah. But I don't know if this thing's gonna reverse though. But we did take the liquidity underneath 870. 870. They've been holding 870 and they just took the liquidity underneath it. So I guess we'll see if it holds. I think we get a bounce, but I don't think we get a reversal here. But I mean, hmm. Well, I was going in short, but oh shit, I didn't realize I was in 49 contracts. I did not realize that. Hmm. I believe I started this position with 30 contracts and then I scaled into it up here with 16 more. Yeah, I think it was what 33 contracts maybe, and then I scaled into it right here with 16 more. Easily 200 books. Really gotta clean up, man. Really gotta clean this up. Mm. Mm. We'll see. There's a lot of liquidity sitting at 195. It's a lot of liquidity sitting right here. I'm more interested to see what they do at these highs and see if we get price to come here and retest this value area low. Actually, what I'm gonna do is this is what I'm gonna do. This is what I'm gonna do. Okay. No, no. I don't want it to offset it. My bad. I did that wrong. Okay. So now it's offset 3 ticks below this 50 EMA. So whenever the 50 EMA moves, my target will move with it. And so I can take profits at the 50 EMA. Yo, what's up? Gain weight. What's up? What's up? Oh, I hit your 50? Ah, shit. Don't tell me that, Santiago. Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. Come on, NQ. At least get to the 50 EMA. Uh, At least get to the 50. Yeah, I mean, shit. You expect. What do you expect? Ah, man. Say it ain't so. Say it ain't so. Say it ain't so. Mm, damn. Ah, shit. You know what? Uh, mm, 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 mm. All right. So I'm wrong on both instruments tonight. I'm wrong on both of them. Huh. Uh, mm. Ah, damn. Look at that. Uh, okay. Mm, mm, mm. Huh. You know, good shit, Santiago. Keep it stupid. Keep it simple. Stupid strategy is 100% accurate. What the hell? Why am I? Mm. What a V bottom. All right, gold. You got me. You got me. Mm. You got me. Keep it simple, stupid strategy. Man, that is a very simple strategy, Santiago. It already did, Alfred. It already did. I'm still. I mean, I see it now. I mean, I see the head and shoulders, but I'm. Mm, mm. Well, I lost the trade, and I try to chase money with, or I try to chase gold and scale into her, and I lost 2K from that, down 3K overall. I can get it back. It's just the fact that I hate the fact that it didn't say anything about going long. It just V bottom. And I hate the fact that I missed it. I hate that. I thought he was going to get at least another retest down. That's why I got back in short. And when it wasn't going my way, I scaled into it, hoping that it would come back, and it didn't. And because of that, I lost 3K. Mm. Yeah, gold doesn't necessarily V bottom. It always pulls back, or I can't say always, but for the most part, for the most part, gold pulls back. It usually pulls back. And that's what I was waiting for. Or that's what I was trading, was waiting for that pullback. But I guess in this instant, gold said, nah, we're going to V bottom tonight. No pullbacks. We're just going to V bottom. Hmm. Okay. All right. You still in it? Well, if the NQ stops me out tonight, I'll just have to go back to the drawing boards tomorrow. I really don't know where I went wrong. I read the Nasdaq and I read gold wrong tonight. Mm. Nasdaq, I mean, I can understand Nasdaq, but what's really mind-boggling to me is that I read gold wrong, and she's so easy to read. I read gold wrong, and that's bothering me. That's really bothering me right now. Hmm. Ugh. I used to look at Discord. Oh yeah, shit. My bad. My bad. I'm sitting there looking at it, not even giving it props or nothing. Props to Santiago. Yeah, it definitely is. Mm, well, okay. I'm gonna leave it. I mean, if I get stopped out, I get stopped out. Um, I'm gonna leave it though. I'd rather I do this in this account though. This is one of my throwaway accounts. That's why I'm trading heavier size than usual. I don't want to lose these accounts, but I don't care if I do. The account that's on the stream though, that's the one that I'm building up though. But this is my throwaway account. I made $2,700, and I'm not gonna trade that account. I'm gonna let that lock in because with these half days, those doesn't. I mean, if I were to take, if I would have taken and traded it today, I mean, to yesterday and today would have counted as one day. So I'm not gonna trade that account. If anything, I'll probably bring this account back up tomorrow, or I'll trade it in the sim. Either way, I'm not gonna trade that other account tomorrow. I'll wait until Wednesday. Actually, I may not be able to stream tomorrow night. We'll see. It's my brother's birthday, but I'm gonna let y'all in on a little secret. My brother's birthday is super cursed, and his birthday is super cursed. I don't know what it is about his birthday, but like 4 or 5 years in a row, something's bad has happened on his birthday, dude. It's super cursed. And I'm trying not to be superstitious about it, but the data shows that every time we do something on his birthday, something always happens. So we'll see. So you have two more, but still testing? Oh. Wow. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, you know how that shit go. You know how that shit go. uh, Mm. So that's where you're targeting right here? Huh. Shit. I'm going to club bed after I get off stream. I'm definitely going to sleep. I'm definitely going to sleep. I just got to sleep today off. Yeah, the day was. I really hate these red days. They don't affect me. They just only affect me in the moment. Tomorrow is a new day. It's a new day. I don't let red days affect me the next day, but I do question, like, man, how the heck did I let myself get this deep in the hole? But I was actually looking at that same area, Santiago, but I was actually looking at 2195. 2195 is what I was looking at for the market to. I mean, if we do see a break of this range, I think that there'll be buyers at 2195, but actually what I'm gonna do is I don't even think I need to even do that. You say you're trying to get five? Mm, I only focus on the profits when I'm in a funded account. And I think that's probably something that I just need to clean up. I need to clean up that behavior. When I'm in an eval, it's pretty obvious I care nothing about my profits and I'm just trading the process for sure. When I get into a funded account, it's yeah, I want my TP, but we gotta get them profits. I mean, obviously that's the goal at that point. And sometimes that shift and that mindset shift has been detrimental to my funded accounts, especially when I have the daily payouts. I try to go crazy on those things. I convince myself that, oh shit, it is really, dang, the lightning is really coming down. I think somebody broke the weather machine out here in Texas. The lightning is really coming down and cracking. I've seen lightning strike about 20 times just now. But anyway, hmm, yeah. Yeah, that mindset shift when I go into my funded account, I gotta clean that up. Especially on the last day. The last day is hit or miss. Because low key I'm anticipating to get into the markets and then I'm overthinking about, man, will the market fake me out today? Kind of like what it did earlier today, missing my entries, and then the one that I did take completely just loses. And mm. And gold fully recovered, a V bottom full recovery, and we didn't even drop that much on gold. But that's what's so surprising about this V bottom. We didn't even have a big drop down. So why the hell did it V bottom like this on gold? Well, I guess. Yeah, I guess overall, I guess we did just have a two-legged pullback, I guess. But the V bottom though, that's kind of crazy. It didn't even pull back. It just V bottom on gold. That's crazy. Mm. That is definitely abnormal price action on gold. Gold is not liquid like that to be V bottoming. That is crazy. Like it literally is crazy. It's not liquid. Gold literally needs stops to run to move. So for it to V bottom like this, that's kind of crazy. But I mean, it happened, but it usually doesn't. Yeah, you're not gonna see no V bottom on gold. You're just not gonna see it. That's why it's surprised the hell out of me. It didn't even pull back. Mm, mm, uh, my bad. Santiago says he had three more to go. Don't focus on the money. Just look at your setup. He took a big loss on Friday because he got greedy. He stopped trading and drank his coffee. Came back the afternoon, followed his plan, made back 3,800. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The importance of a plan. If you don't have a plan, you plan on failing or whatever the hell they talking about. Is it long or short? Is it long or short? Short. I mean, I'm not expecting a reversal here. If it happens, then it happens. What I'm looking for is for them to reject out the 50 EMA. But if it shall stop me out, then that's fine. That's fine. If it shall stop me out. Hmm. All right. Well, I mean, this right here is my plan. Waiting for that pullback. That pullback happened at exactly 8 o'clock, and I was able to catch this whole move up down. Man, it did not pull back at all. It did not pull back. Hmm. Yeah, a move like this with the Nasdaq breaking structure and pulling back. I should have been in this short, but she missed my entry. I had my short entry here at 50 at around S1 before I got on stream, and then I came back and saw that it missed me. So it was no reason to get in long. And I have to break that habit of doing that because it is a habit. I'm very conscious of this habit, but it definitely is a habit. I got to stop doing that. I just got to stop doing that. I now know what I want to trade. The money trade, that pullback trade is that money trade. And that's the trade that I want to be in. And I traded outside of that. And I don't know why. I just did. So I still have a lot to clean up. Still got a lot to clean up. And because of that, I lost about $3,200 tonight. Mm. Mm. You said if it respects it, you're going big. Hold on, is this the one you just recently posted right here? Okay, so yeah. Mm. So you're waiting for it to go. So at 180, huh? At 180. Yeah. So if I'm looking at this correctly, you take the high, the low, and I guess you draw it out once you see. So actually, let me just so kind of what I'm seeing is you usually pin it at the low, the high after you see a break of structure. Is that correct? After you see the break of structure, then you just wait for it to come back and then test that 50%. Hmm. Interesting. It makes sense. I mean, that is definitely the pullback trade. So yeah, it makes sense. So it's very interesting. First Ash, then Santiago, then I kind of through back testing, I saw that pullback is where the money is. So that's three people. And I have this rule. If the universe is giving me the same information and in different ways, then that means I need to start paying attention and I really need to start implementing that because that's three people. The charts, Santiago, Ash, and Cave Trader as well. So that pullback trade. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Mm. So it can go to the orange line, the 25%. Mm. Yeah, Cave Trade. I was just talking about the everybody I was talking about the pullback trade. I mean that is the money trade, I guess. It's just not fun. I mean, I'm gonna be completely honest. It's not fun to wait for it. It's not fun. I know we're not in this market to have fun, But damn it, can I just gamble and just be enjoyable and I can win? Shit. It's not fun waiting for the easy trade. It's not fun. It's just not fun. It's not actually, let me rephrase that because I'm using the wrong term. It's not enjoyable. That is the correct term. It's not enjoyable to wait. It doesn't feel good to wait. It just doesn't. And it sucks. It sucks. It sucks. It's not enjoyable at all. Yeah, yeah, it is, man. Santiago, you're absolutely right. It's not enjoyable at all. It is not enjoyable. There it goes. Okay. All right. Well, Santiago's 50 is it wins again. It wins again. It wins again. Well, I'm going to leave this limit down here. Hopefully the Nasdaq isn't going to be nasty tonight and run through it and then stop me out and then bounce back up. But I think around like 95 we could see a reaction because of this big move up. I mean, I guess it could, but I'm hoping it doesn't. You said watch, she had moments, it came back up. Well, mm, I have a bad habit of talking about this price action and then trading against it. We talked about this thing earlier in the stream that once everybody gets back to their desk, they're going to short this damn market. Why? 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 The fuck, man? Ugh, man. Why? Okay. I guess it's my fault. I should have locked it. I guess it's my fault. Well, since you wanted to move, you can disappear. Since you wanted to move, you can disappear. Uh, yeah. Mm, mm, yeah. Yeah, Santiago. Yeah. Yeah. Nah, Cosmo. Nah, everybody's holding me accountable, man. I gotta be held accountable. I'm not proud of what I did tonight, but I did it anyway. Not proud of it, but I did it. Uh, well, uh, mm, mm. Yeah, if you need help setting up, I'll definitely help you if you need help. Alfred too. I mean, shit, Alfred, he should have been had a stream in the community. He should have been had his stuff set up. He's holding himself back. He's holding himself back. Yeah, no problem, man. I'll definitely help you if you need setup, because that's the one thing. So I will say this: I I did everything by myself. I preferred that I did everything by myself, but as I'm doing everything by myself, I could have been up and running a lot sooner. A lot of the quality could have been a lot better. It's getting better over time, but I will say that I have a whole lifetime to get this thing right, so I'm not in a rush, but I could be doing a lot more. I will admit to that. I could be doing a lot more. Mm. But kind of like what you just said, Santiago, about the 100K a month. I just got to get I just got to get rid of my bad habits. I just got to get rid of them. And I don't know if and I guess this will be the last thing I say before I get off stream tonight. I don't know if I'm doing this subconsciously because maybe I don't want to say these words, but I'm going to say them anyway. Maybe I don't want to move forward. Maybe I've gotten comfortable. And the mind is very calculated at getting the things that it wants. I win just enough to keep me happy, but then out of nowhere, I self sabotage. And it's out of nowhere because I literally feel like I'm in third person watching myself just blow up accounts. And then after I blow them up, and then I just go back to consistent winning. I feel like subconsciously I'm doing that to prevent myself from really moving forward with all of this, even though I'm already in it. I'm already in it. So I don't understand why it's happening. But uh, uh, somewhat, somewhat, somewhat. I mean, I don't hide my losses from you guys. I don't do that for sure. But I've never been a person that, I mean, if I lose, I'm not going to think I'm a horrible trader because I lost. I'm not going to. I know a lot of people say that having people watch them kind of keeps them accountable. It's like, well, shit, I'm gonna still trade the way I trade. I don't want to look like a fool in front of you guys, but at the same time, I've looked like a fool in front of you guys, and it hasn't killed me yet. So, uh, mm, yeah, mm, yeah, yeah, that is true. And I almost got another payout today until I self sabotage myself out of that crap. It just gold was not helping me today. I mean, she was missing everything today. And I was like, wow. I mean, shit. Guess I wasn't supposed to get that payout today, but I still got the account. I can definitely come back tomorrow and get that money back and potentially get a payout on Wednesday. So either I get a payout on Wednesday or that account is gone. And there's no in between that. I won't get the full payout from that account because I've crossed that threshold to where You need, I mean, if I get 30 days, they'll switch me to a live account. So I already got what, 7 days? I'm already 7 days green in that account. I've hit daily loss limit 3 times, but I'm 7 days green, and so I won't get the full $6,000 payout from that account. You say you shorted 156. You know what? Mechanics. I mean, well, I would feel some type of way. Santiago did say that this would probably pull back. I mean, well, it probably would pull back because it is trending down. So it is trending. It's low key trending. This leg is trending. So we'll see what happens. It's a small little trend, but it's definitely trending. So we could see price come back to the top of this range. We could see a false little breakout and then price coming right back down. We could see price break right through it. We are in a small little channel. Yeah. Hmm. You said on the weekly? Hmm. Hmm. We are definitely downtrending though. Overall, we are definitely downtrending overall. We still haven't taken out that high. But if we get some good news somewhere, if we get some good news, that liquidity sitting there at 550, we're gonna definitely shoot up to 22K for sure. For sure. We'll probably get a move to like 700, a pullback, and then a move up to 21, 22, 21, 9, 22. There's so much engineered liquidity up here. We're definitely going to go to the moon above those highs for sure. But we don't want to focus on that because overall the market is going down. It's trending. We're making lower lows and we're making lower highs. So it looks like it's about to make a form a triangle. I think it's going to test Friday's high and then bounce. Are you still Luke, are you talking about ES still? All right, so I mean I'll stay on it till 11. And that'll be it for me. I'm going to club bed just like Santiago. Okay. So hold on. Is that the most recent one that you sent? No. Where'd you post it at? Hmm. Isn't that interesting? Isn't that interesting? Up 2K so far? Yo, congratulations with everybody making money tonight. Congratulations. Congratulations. Trading off of the almighty 1 minute chart. Mm, mm. You say you only have 500 trading in Q? Shit. Hey, I'd rather be up 500 than be down 4K. Okay. Well, I mean, that's all I can do. That's all I can do. All right. So we got that breaker structure now with gold. I wouldn't be surprised to wake up to see a big move down on gold because that V bottom was crazy. Any gold trader in here knows that this V bottom is absolutely crazy on gold. That's crazy. A straight up V bottom. That was a 17-point V bottom move. That is crazy on gold. That is crazy on gold. You don't see that because it shouldn't happen. It should not happen. That's a 17-point V bottom leg on gold without no pullback. That is crazy. That is crazy. There you go to 90 on NQ. Yeah, I think so too. I think so. I already got my my limit down here. I mean, if it hits, it hits. If it don't, well, okay, well, you know how that shit goes. But I think we get this, and then we see a bounce. But all right, guys, that's it for me tonight. That's it. I'm going to bed. We'll definitely come back tomorrow morning. We'll see how the price action has presented itself overnight. See if there's any setups. I'll be trading this account, or I'll be trading the sim tomorrow. I'm not going to trade the account um, that you see on stream. I'm not going to trade that account. I'm gonna lock that $2,700 in tonight or for tomorrow. Again, I'll stream in the morning, but I may or may not stream at night. It's 9 times out of 10 I probably will, but just in case I don't, I'm just gonna say that now. Just gonna say it now. But all right, guys, we'll definitely come back tomorrow morning, and we'll definitely look for more opportunities to make some more money. With that said, peace out, everybody. Have a good night.